Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we have a quick unboxing, a little Amazon unboxing, and I want to thank the channel members real quickly first. Thank you, thank you, thank you, channel members. Now let's get into this oversized box for this small item. This is the titanium utility knife that I picked up also from Amazon. All right. So what we have here, guys, is another Rovivon little flashlight. I gave one away on the random live last night, but the one that I've picked up is the A4 tie, which this is a titanium version of the little light whose form factor I like so much. This comes with a pocket clip. It comes with a magnetic tail cap, comes with a keychain and another little USB cover. I do use the pocket clips on these. But this thing is so tiny. Let's look at it next to, that's the little keychain one. That's the one that I just got, just did a review on. And then this one's my little fat. These are all Rovivons. That's the S3 tie. That's the A2, or A24. That's the A2. And this is the 8.4 tie. So what I'm going to do is, how do I want this clip positioned on here? Do I want it down? That way if I put it on my hat, do it that way. All right, so now it's got a little clip on it with a magnet. This way I can clip it to the brim of my hat. But if I click it twice, it's constant on. You've got moonlight, medium, medium high, high, moonlight, low, medium, high. Hold it down all the way, it turns it off. Push it and hold it, it just gives you that full beam, which is how I like it. So guys, that is the A4 tie, just an unboxing. I will do a full review after I've carried it for a while and see which one of these titanium Rovivons turns out to be my everyday light. Guys, I appreciate you taking the time. Sorry for the short video, but again, it's a quick unboxing. If you would, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.